Now let's see the exercise F. Complete these sentences with suitable modal verbs in the negative. One has been given. You need not go for the trip or if you don't want. So this way we will have to make the sentence negative. Students shouldn't be absent on the last day of school. Here we can use must not also. The answers can be more than one, should not or must not. Both can be used. Third one, you cannot or must not make mistakes while filling out the form. Cannot or must not. Both can be used as taking the meaning according to. You ought not to and must not also be late for so they will not let you enter. So use ought to, should or must. We can use and we will have to add the not as we are making negative sentences. So you ought not to be late for the so they will not let you enter. Fifth one, shouldn't. Rachna shouldn't be spending so much time on a single sum. She will not get time to do the rest of the sums. So here also we can use more than one model. Now I would like to leave now, but you need not as you have to finish your work. Here we have used needn't. मैं जा सकता लेकिन आपको जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Why? Because you have to finish your work before time. And seventh one, I am sorry, I cannot help you this time. I have to go else somewhere. I can't help you. I have to go somewhere. So we have used that can't. कर सकता नहीं क्योंकि मुझे बाहर जाना है, दूसरी जगह जाना है. He cannot be here already. I just saw him going to the bus stops. So we have used there the negatives in these sentences. Now let's move to the next exercise, G. Now let's see G. Complete these sentences using can or could. So it's obvious and without doubt we can feel, because in other exercises we can use more than one, but here the instruction is clear, that's why we will have to use can or could, and we can use keeping in mind the whole meaning of the sentence. First one is given here. One day we could live on Mars. Here it shows past, that's why we could. Now if you tried it past, that's why we cannot use that can. If you tried really hard, you could really win a prize. Means you could have done it. It shows past. So you could really win a prize. Why cannot? Because here V2 is used after subject you. Use subject and tried. Simple past. Third one, Raju might repair the watch, but it could take him a while. Raju might repair the watch. So here might can be used on the place of may as past, but, and that's why, but it could take him a while. Now, fourth one, Nikki can drive a car, but he does not. Blindly, without seeing, we can use that can as after, but he does not know. Simple present tense, that's why. because it shows ability, possibility of present, and that one could can be used for past. You could come home in the evening. You could come home in the evening. So here, not ability, but you, if you want, you can come. That's why we have used there could. And I think can also can be used. You can come home in the evening. We can come and seek and pick you up around 7. Here we can as pick, and we can come and pick you up around 7. So here you can means you are able to come there and you can pick you up. You say it is difficult to climb trees. You say it is difficult to climb trees. Well, I could climb when. Here the second sentence is indicating the past, that's why we have used. I was able to climb. I was able to climb. And eighth one, Nimit could have easily won. Here could have means he was not able to complete it, and now he is repenting. मैं कर पाया होता, अगर मैंने ऐसा किया होता तो निमित could have easily won the race had he not slowed down towards the end. Here past perfect and modal auxiliary with have and V3 could have. If I worked hard, I had worked hard, I could have won the medal. But it was not possible because I didn't do the same what I had to do. So could I have used here. So these are the sentences we have done of G. Now let's move to H. Let's move to H. H. Rewrite the sentences replacing the words in the bold with the appropriate modals for the situation. Make the changes in the sentence wherever necessary. We can make the changes in the sentence if it is necessary, if it is needed. First has been given, he is unlikely to have left without informing anyone. Begin he. So he wouldn't have left without informing anyone. So with he we have used wouldn't have left without informing us. This way we will have to do the rest. Don't worry. It is possible that Kavita is coming tomorrow morning. Begin with Kavita. So Kavita might be coming tomorrow morning. So I don't worry. So it is possible. That's why we have used might. Kavita might be coming tomorrow morning. So I don't worry. Now, third one. So much practicing is likely to tire you. Stop practicing now. Ruchi. Begin so much practicing. So we will have to begin the start करना होगा sentence so much practicing. So much practicing could tire you. Ruchi. Here we have used taking the situation, keeping the situation, and we have used modal here. Now it is likely that you have left the keys at home. Begin with you. You may or could we can use. You may or could have left the keys at home. So according to the instruction, we have used you on the beginning of the sentence. Now, fifth one, you can try and call, but it is possible the sculpture has been sold by now. Begin the sculpture. Now, we can change the sentence according to instruction. The sculpture have been sold by now. but you can still try and call. So there is use change can be in order to make the proper meaning using the modal. Sixth one. Sixth one is there. If you were absent yesterday, you obviously have not heard about the burst water pipe in the school. Begin, you have heard about the burst water pipe in the school. So you might not or must, we can use both. You might not or must have not heard about the burst water pipe in the school if you were present yesterday. So these were the sentences, and it can be made different ways also, but we have done this way. Now let's move to the last one, the last exercise of the chapter. Rearrange the words into meaningful sentences. Rearrange the words into meaningful sentences by including the modals in bold in the correct place. We will have to rearrange the sentence and make a complete meaning. First, as Simran, her friend, school, Rani, and still, be, at, and could. Could is given in the board as it is modal. So rearrange these words into a meaningful sentence by including the modals in bold in the correct place. According to the structure of sentences, we will have to put, and it will bring a meaningful sentence. And a sentence can be called when it bears meaning. Otherwise, it can be phrase. Now let's see. Studying may be room her in Archana. So Archana may be studying in her room. Archana, subject, may, helping verb, be, and studying in her room. So this way, because this makes meaning, but if you make the sentence without following the structure, it will not bear a meaning. Now, some want the might more baby food. The baby might want some more food. Baby subject and might. Auxiliaries, primary or modal auxiliaries, they come after subject in sentence and then verb. And verb will be, with the modal auxiliaries, the verb will be in V1 form. And if we have used have with the modal auxiliary, then we will use their V3. So here in all the sentences you have noticed that after modals we have used V1. Might want. The baby might want some more food. Now fourth one. They too, there may have mother yesterday and spoken. Now try yourselves. First, you will have to find the subject, pronoun. Pronoun or person can be subject. A group of sentence phrase can be subject. So here you will have to find they. There is a subject, and then after subject we know that after subject there will be auxiliary, modal auxiliary. So what is modal auxiliary? May. And have also given, that's why we will have to use that have. And I have told you earlier that with may, if we have used have, then we will have to use V3. So what is V3 there? Spoken. So they may have spoken to their mother yesterday. So according to the structure we can make the sentence. Here also forgotten about, might, have, about, the celebrity, the program. So you will have to find the person, the celebrity, the subject, then might, according to the structure, formation of the sentence using the auxiliaries or modal auxiliaries. So celebrity might, then have is given there, then we will have to use with subject, auxiliaries have, V3, and then rest of the words. So celebrity might have forgotten about the program. Now sixth one, must watch India win. So subject India, and we have not given have here, that's why we will have to use V1 with the auxiliary. So India must win the match. India must win the match. Now the last one is Jamaica must have. Now have is given, then you will have to find V3 with the have, must have, and V3 for subject. So you first try to find out the subject. What is subject there? Jamaica must have by now my parents touring reached. So my touring parents, here adjective, here with parents the subject adjective is given there. So this is phrase, noun phrase. My touring parents must have, must subject, auxiliary V3, have V3 and rest of the words. So my touring parents must have reached Jamaica by now. So we have explained all the exercises of modals. It's interesting, but we can use the auxiliaries according to the meaning of the sentence, and the person who is using the modals, he can use according to his meaning, his mood. And as they are multifunctions there, so they can be used on the place of each other, but at times not forever. So this is the explanation of modals. I hope and trust you have got all the exercises and you try to use in your day, in your life, in order to understand, in order to learn the sentences. Use the modals and make the sentence and communicate with your parents or brothers or friends. And this is the only way by which you can learn grammar. And if you don't know the grammar, then there will be problem in future, and at times you will become the butt of mockery. The people will laugh at you if you don't use grammar properly. So you will try your level best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.